Sharma. I am student of Arya Senior Secondary School in class 5th. Today I am going to make a paper dog in science. Let's start. We make this paper dog. We use a scale, a mark, a scissor and a thin paper. First we will cut along. This is a paper dog. Let's start to make it. First we will cut a long strip of thick paper. Mark small cuts on the line marked 1 to 6. In the same way, hook together 3 in 4 and 4 in 5.
Now cut these dots.
Turn down the corners of the strip on top of the head to make the ears. You are watching that how we are making the paper dog. Now it is going to be complete. Now we will mark the eyes and nose with the sketch pen. We use marker. हमने आज साइंस में यह पेपर डॉग बनाना सीखा है। मैंने अपनी बहनों की मदद से यह बनाना सीखा है। और क्या बोलना है? Science is very interesting subject. So let's fun with science. Thank you.